Hi friends, today we are doing an unboxing and a taste test of some new treats from Pupford. So let's get started. So I ended up getting an email from Pupford about their new treats that they added to their website. And it had been some time since I ordered from them, and mostly because we've been giving Mojo just other treats from other brands that I've shared with you guys before. But we are a Pupford affiliate, and we had some credits that I could use, so I decided to just place an order and see, if Mojo likes the new treats. So I ordered her some minnows. She's right in here. These are for you. I also ordered some duck and veggie recipe training treats. These are like small little pebbles for training. I ended up getting these Gouda crunchies. I think they also had cheddar, but I felt like Mojo would like these a lot more. And then last but not least, I got some lamb jerky. So yeah, but I also got her a new toothbrush because she was due for a new toothbrush. Okay, so you want the toothbrush? No. All right, so yeah, so I ended up getting these just because they were new. She had not tried them, so I assume, she's gonna like them. We had a really good experience with Pupford, and she likes most of the things I've gotten her, with the exception of, what was that? I think the mango. It was the freeze-dried mango. She kind of really liked it at the beginning, and then she completely just stopped eating it. So I ended up just getting rid of that one. She wasn't a fan of that as much as I thought she was. So let's just do a taste test and see how she likes all these. So the jerky, this is lamb jerky. It's supposed to be a reward. Come here. Oh, wow. If you get up a little higher so people can see you for your taste test. So this is just a small piece. They come in bigger pieces. Okay, come on. Okay, up here. You want it? Joe, people can't see you. She just ran off. Oh, come here. So I think she likes the lamb jerky. I don't think it smells good. It's kind of stinky. Okay, so we're gonna do the duck and veggies next. Hey. Oh my gosh, these are perfect for. They're soft. They're little treats. How many calories is in one of these? Does it say? Oh, it's 2 calories per treat, so that's actually pretty good. Okay, these are a hit. I think these we are probably gonna take with us when we go on walks. Then the minnows. Let's see, Mojo. I know you like minnows. You had them from. We usually get her minnows from. What's that store? Mud Bay. Yeah. No big deal. Just ate it up. Okay. I feel like these are all a hit. You haven't been like a brat about any of them. She might be a brat about the cheese. I think Mojo, like with cheese treats, it's a hit and miss. So I think she's curious about it. Okay, I'll open it for you. Oh my god, I didn't do it right. Oh Jesus, your mother. Oh, I failed. Oh no. Oh no, we're screwed. We can't open it. Okay, we're back. I think it was too tight. Mojo, these are like cheese puffs. Come on. Let's see. Okay, so I wish she wouldn't hide her face. I'm going to show you her little face while she's eating. Here, let's see. How do you like these, Mojo? I think she likes them. Which one do you like the most? Okay, honestly, I'm glad she likes all of them. I was a little worried just because this dog is super picky and sometimes we get her treats and she just does not like them. She won't eat them. So I was a little hesitant. I honestly thought the cheese maybe like, I'm not for sure, but she liked that one. Personally, I think the one that I like the most for her is the training treats. It's little. It seems pretty soft. 2 calories per treat, so I thought that was great. I'm definitely happy about this one. The minnows, obviously, these are pretty standard. I think these are about like, it doesn't say calories. At least I can't see. But I mean, like, these are pretty standard. I feel like we get them from other places, but she really likes them, and you know, these I know she likes them. I personally did not like the smell of them. I'm very particular just with like Mojo treats. I don't think I will get these again, only because we do have another brand that we get jerky from, and that one is less stinky. Like this one, I'm just like, I didn't like the smell of it. I'm sure she loved the smell and the taste, but I was just not a fan to having to deal with that. And obviously the cheese, crunchies, I think these are great. Definitely will be a little bit more careful because these are 7 calories per treat. So be a little bit more careful with these. Maybe just like higher value. Maybe when we're doing actual training for commands, you can get cheese. Yeah, so not too bad. These are all new items that Pupford has on their site. If you want to check them out, I'll go ahead and leave our code in the description of the video. You're able to get, I think, like 10% off or something. So I'll share that with you. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.